Just one looking at you open up my
Big man thing, what do I say? Them can never lower you my way.
Patience. It's not easy to build. A mentor once said you'll get it the hard way if you don't cultivate it. We waste so much time trying to repair what we break or lose from a lack of it. It seems much easier to be more impatient with our own family, ourselves, and God than with others. Maybe it's because the closer we are to someone, the better we know them, and the more comfortable we are growing frustrated with them. Maybe if we recognize our own imperfections, then we can be more patient with others, when we are able to focus on their strengths. Or maybe, do we put too much pressure on a certain stage of life? This week, I'm being reminded that just because we haven't reached the end result doesn't mean we can't influence. Maybe we can cultivate patience by recognizing the influence we can and do have in the present time, by recognizing the good gifts that have been given to us specifically for this time and our individual selves. Patience. It's not easy to build, but the value of it will far outweigh the amount of time you have to wait.
Just one looking at you open up my eyes, and I'll stay with you forever all the time. And I'm stepping out to leave it all behind. I'm confident your love will be my sight.